Hey, welcome back for another day for the workshop project. Today we're going to put the sheathing up on the walls and the ceiling. I just got back from Lowe's, got 18 sheets of half-inch plywood. That's my plan to put all around, and then we'll see how far we can get. I'm going to start on the ceiling first, and we'll get to the walls. So, all right, let's get at it. Okay, that's going to be a wrap for the woodshop project for tonight, August 17th. It's about 9 o'clock at night, and as you can see, I did get the ceiling up. So calling it a night, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll get the walls going. So we'll see you all then. Hi, morning. Back to another day with the workshop project. Today we're going to sheathe the walls. So let's get at it. Oh, it's 2 weeks away from opening duck season. So the waterfowl season here in Alaska. So let's get at it. calling it a night. I've got about 99.8% of the walls finished. As you can see, as I spin around, and I'll show you here in a minute, I'll reverse the camera. The only things I did not do, you can see right above my head, I've got a little bit of a gap right there on that wall and on the opposite wall as well that I'll have to finish up. But let me show you what I got done. So here we are. I went with plywood for the main reason that plywood is way cheaper. I shouldn't say way cheaper, but it is cheaper than sheetrock here in Alaska. So this is half inch plywood. Here's the gap I was telling you about. I've got that, got the outlets all in, covers on. All right, well there you have it, walls are sheathed. And basically the next step is finish up these gaps and then to do the flooring. And then I'm gonna put some trim around to kind of hide some of these gaps in the wall. They're not too bad, but it'll just make it look a little bit better. So, all right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part. We are back for another day of the workshop project. Today is August 21st. It's been officially 1 month since I started this. Haven't worked on it too much in the last couple days. I've just had other things to take care of. Opening day for duck season, waterfowl season for 2024 is next weekend. So I've been getting ready for that. Had a few other things I got to take care of, so I just can't spend all my time on this after work. I got to get other things done. I did do a few things that were just little projects. I'm going with a French cleat system for hanging my tools up, and so I put some cleats up, and I did get the trim up there, so I did get all the walls are all covered. So today is going to be the floor. I've got to get this floor done so I can get the inside finished up. I want to get some trim down, so I can't do the trim until I get the floor down. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out what type of floor I wanted to put down. I've done some research, Googled stuff, YouTube stuff, and good flooring for workshops. And the truth is there is no right answer. There is no good flooring or preferred flooring. I guess it's whatever you want to do. I ruled out tile. Definitely, every tile was a no-go because tile will break. Looked into doing laminate flooring, and a couple comments were, be careful with laminate flooring. You get sawdust on there or some dust on there, and it gets turned slippery. So, and plus, I don't know what the floor is going to do over the winter for the first winter, so I didn't want to put laminate flooring down where those planks could come apart. So rubber mat was mentioned. That rubber mat was hit and miss on the research. People said yes, some people said no. So like I said, there's really no right answer to what type of floor to put on a workshop. So what I went with was linoleum. Went down to Lowe's, or actually Home Depot, got a 12 by 11 roll of the linoleum. I'm gonna glue that down on the floor. It's cheap. It might tear, might get some dents into it, some cuts in it when dropping stuff. I don't know. We're gonna give that a test and see how that works out. So without further ado, let's get this floor down so I can finish up this room and start moving stuff into it and start building benches for it. So here we go. All right, so here's the room without the floor. I've already got the floor prepped, cleaned, ready to go. I'm gonna move the linoleum in, spread some glue down, and let's get this done. So here we are. All right, let's go. Got the floor in, 9 o'clock at night, calling it, and we'll let this dry. Let me go ahead and show you. It's not the prettiest, but it'll do. All right, well, there you go. I'm not sure how the camera is seeing this, or how you guys are seeing this, but this is a lot lighter than it actually is. It's on the screen here. It looks like it's almost like a gray, but it's supposed to be an oak color. So that's pretty much it. Next on the list is just going to be the trim. I'm just going to go with some cheap 1x4, 1x2 pine. I'm going to put the 1x2s as trim in the ceiling, in the corners of the room, and along the floor. 1x4 is going to go for the trim along the door frames and the window. Not going too expensive. Trying to keep this low budget as possible because this is going to workshop. Things are going to get nasty, things are going to get dirty, things are going to get banged up. So other than that, that's probably going to be pretty much it once I get done with the trim. And then I do have a lot of little things that I want to do, and I'll probably do those off camera and just do a big reveal at the end. I do have some other stuff that needs to be done outside as far as like the painting, finishing up the eaves. That might be a next summer project because duck season's coming right up here in a few weeks, and all my extra time is going to go to that. And then I'm going to go back to Michigan for 3 or 4 weeks. So some stuff outside that'll be done next summer. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.